Here at Cannabis Planet, we believe in a healthy lifestyle, so I like to infuse hemp into all of my dishes. Hemp is a great source of all the essential fatty acids the body needs, omega-3 and omega-6. Hemp seed milk can be a great alternative to your dairy needs. It's very simple to make, it's only a few ingredients. Good water, dates for sweetness, and of course, organic hemp seeds. I also have some organic hemp oil, and I have all these ingredients already combined. I'm gonna give it a quick pulse to emulsify it. Now that the hemp seeds are emulsified, the hemp milk is ready to ingest. It can be used in smoothies or delicious on its own. I'll see you next week.
Like and share for Hemp History Week.